Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can check the real battery health on your iPhone. You just need to open your settings and I just need to slide into the down part and then just from the privacy and security, just go tap it and you just need to slide all the way down until you got this analytics and improvements. Just go tap it. Now you just need to go click into the analytic data. Now pick the newest versions of the analytic data here. Just go tap it and you just need to copy all information inside of this. Go tap it and then just need to block everything inside of this screen. You just need to tap it into this and then you just need to wait until the cursor is just moving into the bottom side. Right after that, you just need to go wait until it's reach the bottom side, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap it and then you just need to go click copy. Now if you don't copy it, you just need to open your Apple Notes and then just need to create a new one and you can just paste into this. Paste and then you just need to go click this three small dots here and then you just need to go click this one and node. So you just need to go type into the last underscore value underscore cycle, and there will be pop up here. So there will be two number here. If you want to find the way how you can get your battery health from this number, you just need to find the calculation formula on the description box. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.